guys, this is Maxwell Hennon at MarineMax Rogers here. Behind me we've got our used 2021 G23 in the beautiful crimson metal flake, along with the black accent and the white hull. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Just got it in 327 hours. One thing I want to point out right away, at the front of this boat here, we have the integrated docking light. We don't have any ugly thing on the outside here. It's all integrated, it looks really clean. Great look for the boat. Also, we've got our nav lights, navigation lights that are integrated into the windshield. Really, really cool feature in Nautique. If you follow me around to the back, we've got our NSS system here, our Nautique surf system with the deployable surf plates out to either side. We've also got, if you look here, our underwater lights, and we've got our surf pipe here along with our NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. Basically, it changes the pitch of the boat when you're underway and you're surfing to lower down for better visibility and whatnot. We also have the steering assist on the back of the boat here, which is a bidirectional thruster, helping you maneuver at slow speeds around the dock. We also have a rear boarding ladder on the back, and follow me inside the boat. Guys, we are in the inside of the G23 here. One of the first things that I want to point out is the wide walkthrough area. Now this is on all Nautiques here. Really easy steps coming into the boat. You're not coming down a big step. Got very easy walkthrough, very easy on the knees. Another thing I want to point out is the interior colors of this boat. We've got the tungsten along with the haze gray accent, anthracite piping, and we've got the mocha brown sea deck, which is, as you can see, throughout the entire cockpit, but we also have it on the gunnel here and on the rails. Want to point out the storage lockers here. Very deep, great for putting all your boards, ropes, life jackets, anything you need in here. Got very, very deep storage because all of the ballast is subfloor. Really cool thing about Nautiques. In the engine bay here, we've got the ZZ6 engine with 450 horsepower. If you'll follow me into the cockpit here. Want to point out one thing. Rear view seat, so you can see your surfers in the back. The seat on the port and starboard sides also flip up. In addition, so you have full seating looking backwards. Really great seating layout in this boat. Everything is very clean, very well made. We've got all of the cushions on supported hinges. You're not throwing cushions around in the boat. No cushions are moving. Got nice deep storage under all of these cushions here. Underneath the passenger seat here, we've also got more storage. And you'll see right here, we've got a garbage can right down in there with the garbage door right there. Nice, easy access. You can throw away all your trash while you're on the water. This passenger seat is heated, and I know that because we've got a button right here for the passenger heat warming function, as well as our head unit for our JL audio system. Got subwoofers, amps, obviously we've got the speakers on the tower as well. Coming around to the helm here, helm seat, obviously we've got the bolster, flip up bolster as well. What's great about this helm seat is that it's really ergonomic. So we've got bolsters coming up through the thigh and the back, and we've also got a cutout so you can turn around and talk to your passengers here in the boat. It's set up perfectly for comfort. You've got your throttle right here on the right side. Oversized armrest. You got your steering wheel right here, leather wrapped, phone holder, and you've got your link pan array system here, along with a dial where you can control all of the functions on the screen. It is also touchscreen if you prefer that as well. You get 5 hotkeys, and these are basically keys that Nautique feels like you will use the most while you're on the water. Another feature of this boat is we've got the interior courtesy lighting, RGB. So we've got basically any color you can imagine. You can change that on the fly while you're on the water. Got the ski mirror up here so you can see what's going on behind you. Walking through the bow here. Pocket door. Nice, easy compartment here, so you're not pulling it out and putting it somewhere else. Just slides in, slides out. Very spacious bow up here as well. We've got the supported hinges on these seats as well. And we've also got a flip-up bow cushion that transitions into some sea deck as well. So you guys can kind of customize the bow however you guys see fit. We've got aftermarket tint on the windows, and really just wraps up this beautiful G23.